Okay, I am gonna dip some things in this big bucket of clear. So I wanted to show you kind of how to deal with such a big bucket. Let's go ahead and start mixing that water in. We're gonna start just kind of working this down and working the glaze up. And then once that's moving, then we really need to kind of get down into the crevices. These buckets kind of have like a low spot and like a little bit of a raised area in the middle. So we're gonna have to really like scoop down into those recessed areas. And make sure we're getting the material up out of there and mixing in. So let's give this a couple minutes of mixing to start. Okay, and when I'm doing this, I will roll up my sleeve and really get down in there, like as much as it takes. Clear glaze, it doesn't have any colorants in it, so I think the ingredients, there's nothing that's gonna like leach into your skin and be nasty. Yeah, nothing really in this recipe to be too scared about in that regards. Okay, so we are mixing this glaze up, and I'm gonna do a finger test to help tell me if we are near mixed or not. So just starting out, you can just dunk a finger in there and see how much glaze shows up. So you see it's almost like water. It just pretty much flows off. So that's telling me I need to keep going. There's a lot more particles we need to work through this glaze. So let's keep mixing and then we'll test again and see if it looks any better. Okay, we've been mixing and really getting down into those crevices and pulling glaze up. So we're ready now to do another finger test. And that actually looks a lot better. It's still thin. This I would usually consider a thin glaze, but we want our clears to be relatively thin. We don't want our clear to be super thick. It usually gets milky once it's really thick, so it's okay for clear to be on the thin side. We're just gonna do kind of an in and out dip, not too long with this, but I would say that is all mixed up now. Okay, glaze is freshly mixed up, and we're just gonna kind of do about a 1 second in and out dunk. And just coming up upside down, give it a little shake. See, it still looks very wet, so I think we got a good solid coat on there. Let's just put this down, ease those out, and not gonna touch it until my hands are dry and it's looking dry.